Are you looking for ways to finally get rid of those pesky love handles? We know you're tired of struggling with them, and we're here to help. In this video, we'll explore some of the best strategies to help you banish those love handles once and for all. From dietary changes to exercise routines, we'll cover everything you need to know to achieve the body you've always wanted. So, if you're ready to start your journey, let's get started. Love handles, or the extra fat around the midsection, can be an unsightly and embarrassing part of the body. Even for people who are otherwise slim and in shape, love handles can be a pesky problem to get rid of. In addition, having love handles can make it difficult to find clothes that fit and can be a source of embarrassment, leading to low self-esteem. To get rid of love handles, it is important to focus on the whole body, not just the midsection. A combination of aerobic, strength training, and core exercises is the best way to ensure that your midsection stays toned while the rest of your body gets fit. Eating a variety of nutritious foods provides your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. Eating a nutritious diet can help maintain a healthy weight, strengthen immunity, and minimize the risk of accumulating fat in certain areas. To achieve a balanced diet, it's important to consume a variety of healthy foods. These include fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and healthy fats. Additionally, it's important to limit your intake of unhealthy foods, such as processed and fried foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats. In addition to eating healthy foods, it's also important to practice portion control. Eating large portions of food can lead to weight gain, as well as increase your risk of accumulating fat in certain areas of your body. To help with portion control, try using a smaller plate or bowl, and aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. The importance of regular physical activity cannot be overstated. Exercise not only helps you lose weight, but also helps you build muscle and improve cardiovascular health. Regular exercise also helps to improve your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Additionally, regular physical activity can help to reduce stress, which can be beneficial for overall health. Consistency is key when it comes to getting rid of love handles. It can be tempting to skip your workouts or to do them sporadically, but this will only hinder your progress. Make sure to stick to your workout schedule and stay consistent with your exercise routine. This will help to ensure that you are making progress and that you are on track to reach your goals. It's also important to focus on different types of exercises to target the muscles around your love handles. Here are some examples of exercises you can do to target your love handles. 1. Planks. Planks are great for strengthening the core muscles around your love handles. Start in a plank position and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure your body is in a straight line and your abs are engaged. 2. Side bends. This exercise helps target your obliques, which are the muscles located on the sides of your midsection. To start, stand with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips. Bend to one side and slowly return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. 3. Russian twists. This exercise helps target your obliques as well. Sit with your feet off the ground and your knees bent. Lean back and hold a weight, or a medicine ball, in your hands. Twist your torso from side to side and make sure to keep your feet off the ground. 4. Crunches. Traditional crunches are a great way to target your abdominal muscles. Lie on your back. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. Make sure to keep your chin up and your back straight. Getting enough rest is essential for a well-functioning body. Not only does it help to provide energy and motivation, but it also helps regulate hormones, which can have a significant impact on your body's ability to burn fat. When you don't get enough sleep, your body is forced to produce more cortisol, which is a hormone that promotes fat storage. Getting enough rest not only helps you stay energized, but it also helps your body to rid itself of excess fat and maintain a healthy weight. Reducing stress is another important factor in getting rid of love handles. Stress can cause a number of physical and mental health issues, including weight gain. When we are stressed out, our body releases cortisol, which triggers the body to store fat. Additionally, stress can lead to emotional eating, which can result in weight gain. To reduce stress, it's important to take some time for yourself each day. Taking up a hobby, meditating, or even indulging in a little self-care can be great ways to reduce stress and keep your body and mind healthy. Improving your lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. Simple changes like increasing your physical activity, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding unhealthy habits can go a long way towards helping to get rid of love handles. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day. This could include walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or even just taking a leisurely stroll. Eating healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help to improve your metabolism and reduce fat storage. Finally, avoiding unhealthy habits such as smoking and excessive drinking can help to reduce the appearance of love handles. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can get rid of your love handles in no time. A combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes can help you achieve your goals. Make sure to stay consistent with your efforts and be patient, as it may take some time before you start to see results. With determination and dedication, you can have a healthier and more attractive body.